Good morning, children, and once more, all of you, welcome to your social science class. Children, if you remember that we are just studying your political science book, and the chapter which started in my previous video, that chapter was power sharing. So, in my previous videos, I told you about the case study of Sri Lanka and the case study of Belgium. So, if you might have seen my video in which I was telling you the case study of Belgium. So, what was the situation in Belgium? You all might be knowing. So, in today's video, what I am going to tell you, in today's video, we will see that what steps were taken by the government in Belgium to solve the issue, to solve the problem of the Belgian people, because the government in Belgium was a very sensitive government and it responded immediately uh, to give a perfect solution to the people, to the problem which they were facing. So let us start now. So what steps were taken? Uh, that first of all, the constitution of Belgium was amended many times between the period of 1970 to 1993. And why the amendment was made in the constitution of Belgium? To solve the problem of the people. Beside that, in the parliament, it was made compulsory that the people who will be elected for the parliament, their number will be equal, means that equal representative will be there in the parliament for the Dutch people as well as for the French people in the central government. And beside that, many power of the central government was given to the state governments in Belgium. And beside that, in capital city of Brussels, there was a separate government, and in that separate government, the communities, I mean both the communities, had equal representation. Beside that, the most important thing which was done to solve the problem of Belgium, that most important thing was the formation of a community government. And in this community government, there were elected representative, elected people, and this community government was responsible for each community, means one community government was there for the Dutch people and the another community government was for the French people. Okay, and this community government was responsible for the uh, community, no matter where the people lived, in which area they lived. It was not an issue. So this arrangement, the or in other words, you can say that all these things which were done by the government of Belgium, these steps helped a lot to avoid civic war between the two major communities living in Belgium. So, from this case, we come to know that because of the government, because of the activeness of the government, the problem which could have turned very violent, very serious, that problem was avoided. Now, let us see the case of Sri Lanka. So, Sri Lanka, already, children, you know that single community was given importance, and the Tamil communities, they were not given any importance. So there was a feeling in the Tamil people who were living in Sri Lanka that the government is only concerned about the single community. So in my previous video already I told you that the Tamil people, they started demanding a separate place for them, and they formed one organization which was known as LTTE. uh, so all these things were seen in Sri Lanka, but the government of Sri Lanka was not sensitive to the problem of the people. They were not sensitive at all. So this distrust beta, which developed between the Sinhala speaking people and the Tamil speaking people, this distrust grew in size, and the gap between these two communities also broadened very much. And since the government was not at all serious regarding this problem of the people, so what happened, beta? This problem turned into a civil war, and it turned into a civil war, and because of this civil war, lots of people they lost their lives, and this civil war caused very terrible setbacks on society, culture, and economy of the country. So from both the case studies we see that the government has a very important role to play. One example we saw of Belgium, where the government took this matter very seriously, tried to solve the problem of the people. And in the second case, I mean the case of Sri Lanka, the government was not very serious. And because of that, what happened? The country had to go through civil war in which lots of people they lost their lives. So it's enough for today, children. Rest of the things I will tell you in my next videos. Thank you.